Yo guys, I'm NIek from the Producer School and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to create an Afro House track in just 15 minutes. This challenge will be quite hard, but sometimes it's nice to do a little challenge like this to see what you can come up with in a short time. Of course, this video won't be as detailed as normally, but nonetheless, I think this will be a really fun video to watch. The only thing that I have loaded in already is a chord MIDI from our sample pack, and from there I'm going to set a timer and work on it for 50 minutes to see how far I can come. Without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. So here's the chord progression that I loaded in already. I'm now going to set a timer of 50 minutes and start working on it right away. So the first thing that I want to do is add a vocal, and we are in E flat minor. So let's search if there's something close to that so we don't have to do any crazy pitching. This one would work. I think we should pitch it down 1 octave. And it's dry, so let's try to add a little bit of delay and reverb real quick. Set it to ping pong mode. I think the piano can have a bit more volume, so let's do that right here. And also add a little bit of delay on the piano. With some of the sub frequencies. While you still want to maintain like the low, mid and bass frequencies, so it doesn't like lack the power. And let's start by adding something like a driving sequence, and we can use a preset for that, like this one. And then play it on the root note, which in this case is E flat. And introduce it after the vocals playing, so something like this. And let's add a quick pentatonic. And let's move on by adding a kick drum already, and then we start building the groove real quick. So a really soft kick like this will do the job. Bit of side chaining, and just the automation will be quicker for now. And next up, I think we can start building the groove by adding a tom layer that will function as sub bass. So I think this one will work. And then let's start creating a groove. I remove the click a little bit. And now let's just copy that to the rest. And start adding some top loops, which will save us some time in this case. Let's add another top lead, which we can find in the Oasis pack as well. Let's not spend too much time. Something like this will do the job. And we can let it play some harmonics. Let's proceed by adding a Reese bass as a top layer. And I want to find one real quick in the pack. Let's see. This fuzzy one will do the job for sure. So let's copy the bass notes real quick. Paste it up 1 octave. And then we can create these little kind of slides. Let's get rid of the low end as the toms are already functioning as sub. It's the wrong mixer slot, so let's open it right here. Let's automate the cutoff of this to add some variety to the drop. And maybe a little bit of distortion to make it a bit more gritty. Another loop. let's try to add some more groove with some toms. Now let's add these to a mixer slot as well, and add a little bit of EQ and some delay to add some more groove. So for example, just bring down the width and level and a bit of filtering. Maybe have something like a counter groove to the toms with a snare. Let's add an endless smile on the master to create a really simple build-up effect, as I just have a few minutes left. And let's add some ambience real quick, which adds a lot of depth to the track. And some more FX. And let's add some sweeps as well. And that's it for this video. So let's play the end result one time and see what I came up with in just 15 minutes. So the end result is pretty nice. Of course, it's not polished at all. But for 15 minutes, I think it sounds pretty nice already. Let me know if you guys also want to see longer videos, such as an Afro House track in 1 hour. All the sounds used in this video are from our pack Oasis, which is an Afro House sample pack. So if you're curious about those sounds, make sure to check them out in the link in the description. For now, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys in the next video.